Hello, welcome to 28 Oaktree Drive in Cockermouth. We have got a gorgeous 3-bed detached property to show you for rental. I'm going to show you the street scene. We're on a nice established mature development here, estate. Lots of families and people who've been here for a long time. So very well settled. The house has been completely redone, starting with a new tarmac drive where you'll get a couple of cars parked, and internally you can see there is a garage. We're really looking for people who like the gardening because we've got lots and lots of green space. Lots of lawns, established shrubs and trees into the borders, and we're going to walk to the side and just show you how the garden extends around to the rear. But let's begin inside and we'll walk into the property. You come into a storm porch initially, which then allows you through a timber frame door into the hallway. Now this is the first time the property is going to be let. It's all been renovated, painted throughout, new flooring, carpets and hard flooring in bathrooms and kitchens. We have new kitchens and bathrooms. So we'll start here with the living room. And what a gorgeous living room this is. I'll walk up to the far end. You can see it's such a light room. We've got an array of windows all letting in the sunlight. Lots of space in here for sofa, chairs, television, table and other furniture. And if you needed, you could easily get a dining table in here too. But there really isn't any need unless you want formal dining, because as we make our way through into the kitchen, and I'm just going to come off the wide angle there, you can see we've got a very spacious kitchen. Newly fitted, nice white or off-white units at base and wall level, contrasting work surfaces. We've got a sink and drainer, electric cooker and ceramic hood with extractor over. And I'm going to spin round and you can see that we have sliding doors out to the rear garden. So once again, just such a light room. And you have plenty of space over here for a dining table, space here for a freestanding tall fridge freezer. So gorgeous kitchen. And then we go through to the side into a little utility area. Now it's still being finished off, we're almost ready. So there's a few carpet cut-offs there. Behind that green door is a gardener's WC, which is very useful. And there is plumbing in that space there for a washing machine. So you keep your noisy machinery out of the kitchen. And just showing you inside here, the garage. The garage has a metal up and over door. A few items in here still to be removed from the renovation. Gas and electric meters are located in here. So we'll go walk upstairs before I show you the garden out the back. And just as with the ground floor, the whole property's been renovated in the same way with new carpets and painting all over. We come upstairs and we've got 3 double bedrooms in total. What should we start? We'll start with the biggest one. I'll just show you the landing here so you can see where we come from and how we access the bedrooms. This is the biggest one. This is a nice big double bedroom. Again, windows and 2 elevations, lets all the sunlight flood in. Lots of room for double bed, bedroom furniture, wardrobes, etc. Looks over the front of the property, as does the second double. And once again, lovely light room. You get a little glimpse there where you can see over into the distance into the Lakeland Hills. I don't know if you can see that far from my video, but it really is a lovely setting. And our third bedroom, smallest but still for sure a double. This one looks out to the rear elevation. And again, I'll walk up to the window and just give you an idea of that rearward view and a little glimpse of the garden. We also have then a family bathroom, which has been refitted. We've got 3 pieces in here, P-shaped bath, pedestal wash hand basin, WC. We've got a towel rail. It's got paneling to all the walls, waterproof paneling, so nice shower panels, thermostatic shower over the bath. And we have an airing cupboard. The cylinder's long removed. There is a radiator in there so you can dry all your laundry and towels. So, gorgeous bathroom. Let's go and take a look at the kitchen. And when I say kitchen, let's go to the kitchen and then make our way out to the rear garden. So we're going to use this side access from the utility. The garden has steps up, it goes on a slight incline, and there is a timber shed for storing away a few garden implements. And I'm going to turn around here and look at that. This is just such a wonderful outside space. As I say, I think to take this house on, you've got to be into your gardening. You've got to enjoy keeping your lawns nice and tidy over a weekend. But you really are rewarded with some fabulous space, which you don't generally find on most rentals. There's the back elevation. So 28 Oakfield. It's available now with hunters for rental. If you're interested in viewing, please do get in touch.